Okay, and now going to the Riley Beach. Okay, so see, we're riding the boat now. Okay, bye. Okay, and now going to Riley Beach. We're going to Riley Beach. So we are now. Okay, see you Riley Beach. Okay, we are now going. We just came here to the long boat. So see you Riley Beach. Look at the sun here in Riley Beach. You see very beautiful Riley Beach. So you see now I'm here in Riley Beach. You see? I'm here in Riley Beach now. So it's just I think 15 to 20 minutes riding the boat from Alnang Krabi to Riley Beach. So not a long journey in the sea. So